Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about some theorems of modern algebra. So the theorem's statement is if G is finite group then CA is equal to order of G is divisible by order of NA और इसको हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं order of NA is a divisor of order of G. In other words, the number of element conjugate to A in G is the index of the normalizer of A in G. इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं. Now let y, x be any two. अब हम इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं. Now let y, x be any two elements in the same right coset of NA in G. Y belongs to NA dot x, then y is equal to nx where n belongs to na, then na is equal to an. Now y inverse is equal to nx inverse, so it can be written as x inverse and n inverse. Y inverse ay is equal to x inverse n inverse a nx, x inverse n inverse a n x, x inverse n inverse n a x, x inverse n inverse n a x by associative property. So x inverse e a x inverse a x. Therefore x comma y gives us the same conjugate elements. Now suppose that x comma y in the different right coset of NA in G. Then we will prove that y inverse ay is not equal to x inverse ax. Suppose on corollary y inverse ay is equal to x inverse ax. So y inverse ay x inverse is equal to y x inverse ax x inverse. Y inverse ay is equal to x inverse ax. Y inverse ay x inverse is equal to y x inverse ax x inverse. By cancellation law, y inverse a y x inverse is equal to y x inverse a x x inverse. Y associative law, e a y x inverse is equal to y x inverse a e. So here we can write a y x inverse is equal to y x inverse. Y x inverse x belongs to na dot x, so y x inverse x belongs to na dot x, y e belongs to na dot x, and y belongs to na dot x, y equal to na dot x. Y and x are in same right coset of na in G, which is contradiction. Then y inverse ay is not equal to x inverse ax. Thus we have to prove that if x comma y are in the same right coset of na in G, then they gives us same conjugate element, and if they are different in right coset of na in G, they give different conjugate. Hence there is 1 corresponding between the element conjugate to A and distinct right cosets of Na in G. So since Ca is equal to total number of element conjugate to A is equal to number of distinct right coset of Na in G is equal to Na is equal to order of G is divisible by order of Na, or can we say that order of Na is divisor of order of G. Now there is another theorem जिसका statement है if G is a finite group then order of G is equal to summation order of Na is divisor of order of G, where this summation runs over one element A in each conjugate class. The equation is known as class equation of a ग्रुप। इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं। वी नो दैट द रिलेशन ऑफ कॉन्जुगेसी इज एन इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन ऑन जी, since sorry therefore it partition G into disjoint conjugate classes. Then union of all distinct conjugate classes will be equal to G, and two distinct conjugate classes will have no common element. Therefore G is finite group. Therefore the number of distinct classes of G will be finite. uh, uh, Now let us suppose Ca denotes the number of element in the class if Ca1, Ca2, so on Ck are the k distinct conjugate classes of G. So G is equal to Ca1 union Ca2 union so on union Cak. Then number of elements in G is equal to the number of element in Ca1 plus Ca2 plus so on plus Ca2k. Two distinct conjugate classes have two common elements. Order of G is equal to summation Ca. The summation being runs over one elements A in each conjugate classes. Order of G is equal to summation order of Na is a divisor of order of G, where the summation runs over single element A in each conjugate classes. Now there is another theorem. Let G be finite group and Z be the center of G. Then the class equation of G can be written as order of G is equal to order of Z plus summation order of Na is divisor of order of G, and A belongs to Z, where the summation runs over one element A in each conjugate class contain more than one element. इसका प्रूव है। we know that the class equation of G is order of G is equal to order of G is divisor by order of Na, where the summation runs over one element A in each conjugate class. Now A belongs to Z implies that order of Na is equal to order of G. So order of Na is a divisor of order of G is equal to 1. The conjugate class of one element, thus the number of conjugate class each having only one element is equal to order of Z. If A is an element of any one of those conjugate classes, we have order of Na is a divisor of order of G is equal to 1. Hence, the class equation of G in one of the form order of G is equal to summation A belongs to G, order of G is divisible by order of Na plus summation A does not belongs to G, order of G is divisible by order of Na. So it can be written as order of G is equal to order of Z plus summation A belongs to Z, order of G upon order of Na. So ये इस स्टेटमेंट का प्रूव है, एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.